your recording is on.
What? Oh, for a second there's only 2 people.
Boy.
Jeez, we're not doing any damage.
I am. My dark pulse just is doing really good. Oh, he just used sludge bomb.
Just hold. When the purple thing is full, you have to hold.
Yeah, he just... Okay, we're almost like... It's almost dead. It's like...
I'm dodging.
Oh, I killed my...
Oh, yes, I dodged it.
It's almost done with my Gengar. But it's only halfway. That sucks.
There's a dark rock. Oh, wait, that's Brian. I just ran past the dark rock. I'm like, what the heck?
My Gengar died. I'm using my Swagonite. My Swagonite's already at half health. What?
Really? Wait, Stardust? Half health?
Yeah, because I think it got me. Hyper Beam, come on. No, Sludge Bomb. Oh, frick.
Shoot, I'm about to die.
No, I was using Hyper Beam and it killed me.
Really?
Super effective. I'm using Sakura. I'm gonna kill it with Sakura. It's pretty
why am I
easy.
using a Scar? Oh, right, I'm using a Scar. I don't really care about Scar right now.
Oh, God. Okay, I just used Psychic.
Yeah,
oh, my
I'm
God.
about to get my special ability. Come on. Yes.
Just use Sludge Bomb.
That didn't do like anything. What is this? Oh, there it goes. Good.
Okay, I'm using Executor.
No, it just got Sludge Bomb.
Yeah, same. Okay, it's pretty much dead.
We killed it.
Yep, let's go. Brian, did it work? Yes, it's shrinking.
Fatality.
Wait, you guys can all battle it at the same time?
Yeah, it's a raid battle. We battled a raid boss.
Oh, I got 6. I got 6.
He got 6.
I got 4.
I got 4.
1 rare candy. No TMs. Damn. God.
Wait, how many raid balls do you get for damage?
I get 10.
I got 11.
I got 1.
1? Oh, I got... Alright, bonus challenge. Catch.
This.
Oh, it's only 12:30. I'm just gonna use a normal Raz.
Yeah.
Should I use a golden rat?
I'm gonna go Savage Season on this guy. Toby, I'm going Savage Season.
Really?
Savage Season.
Oh, I almost caught it first try.
Should I use a golden rat?
Savage Season. Savage Season right here. Savage Season. 1. Wait, what? Did I just...
You're gonna catch it.
Critical! I just criticaled it.
What does that mean?
Yo! It means it doesn't even move. It doesn't even do that 1, 2, 3. I just criticaled that.
That's what that is? I was like,
I just
what,
criticaled a
glitch?
freaking Wheezing. What the heck?
I was just like, really when I did this, I was like, is this a glitch? It's just like,
No, it's a critical.
dang.
Let's go. Bro, how did I just critical a Wheezing?
First try.
Bro, I just criticaled that Wheezing. That was insane.
I got 1.
Same. Bro, I Savage Season criticaled it. That is insane.
Come on.
Toby, you're gonna catch it.
No. I don't really care. I already have one.
What? Does that mean I don't get it?
No, you get it.
Swear to God, Toby.
Savage Season critical.
I got it with no raspberry. I didn't even hit the dice. When I did a
Bro, I just criticaled a Savage Season Wheezing. Let's go.
Wait, you can turn your screen over.
Oh, yeah.
I just got win 10.
Right. Oh, babe. Let me get my free raid pass. Oh, come on. Free raid pass.
Oh, yeah, it looks so weird.
Yeah, buddy. Thank you very much.
Okay, here.
New
You can
Pokedex.
send me the video though.
Yeah, I need to turn it off first, actually.